Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we begin, I just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So today I want to give a shout out to Jofay Fashion and just say thanks so much for sponsoring today's video. So we're going to be doing a video using their press-on nails. So they were kind enough to send me over a few different styles. So here's what I got, and I really love the range of shapes, sizes, designs that they have. So they are a brand that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to have everything linked down below. But they are super affordable, super high quality. So press-ons can definitely be tricky, but I really enjoyed these, and I'm just going to show you guys an overview of the styles that I selected. But as you can see, the main theme that I went for is kind of almost just a slightly translucent, like a neutral. But they were all packaged very well. I love the packaging. It's super cute, simple, super simple. But for today's video, we're going to be using this design. Like I said, they are available for purchase on Amazon. The link will be down below. But the back of the box comes with some instructions. And here's what comes inside of the package. So with each box of nails, you do get 24 nails, and they come in 12 sizes, which is amazing. Along with that, you also get these, they're like little jelly adhesion pieces that you can use if you don't like nail glue. But it also does come with nail glue if you prefer that to adhere. We're not going to use either in this video because I'm going to be showing you how to make your press-ons look like a fresh full set, like you just walked out of a nail salon, like acrylics almost. But it also comes with some lint-free wipes, which was really nice because I've never received any of those before, so that was quite a shocker. But it came with some lint-free wipes, a wooden stick, and a mini emery board. So first step, we're going to go in and size out our nails before we begin applying them. So I just want to show you guys, these nails are very high quality. They're thick, but they're not like, too bulky thick. Because when you do wear press-ons, you don't want them to be too bulky. But as you can see, I just did the snap test, and I just wanted to see if a white line comes. So when you do your nails like that, if it's a white line, that's how you know that the ABS plastic of the full nail cover is cheap. And as you can see, I'm really pressing it here, and it's not creating that white line at all. This is really, I just wanted to really help prove the point that these are very high quality press-on nails. So we're just going in and sizing them out. They do include the numbers at the tips, which I really appreciate. So I'm just going in and sizing them out, making sure that they fit wall to wall. If you do have some that's kind of in between, again, these come in 12 different sizes, so you really shouldn't have that problem. But if you're in between sizes, always opt for the bigger size, and you can file it down so it matches your nails. I also do want to mention that all of their press-on nails are kid-friendly, they're cosmetic grade, and they are green-friendly for the environment. So they're made with non-toxic materials, and as said earlier, they're very high quality. The toughness of these nails is very, very good. So this is a really great brand, and I'm super impressed with the quality of them. So we're going to be using a solid nail glue to apply these nail tips, and all I'm doing is going in and scooping them out, scooping like a small pea size amount out. I typically don't use any nail glue or the jelly tips that typically come with a pack of nails, just because it doesn't really help make it seamless, like a fresh set, like you just walked out of a nail salon and got a fresh set of acrylics. When I do this whole process, because it is a process, it makes your nails look like that. So that's why we're using a solid nail tip glue gel instead of a nail glue or the jelly tips. But all I'm doing is going in with that wooden brush and scooping any excess that may squeeze from the corners or the sides of the nails. And I shot for nails that were almost kind of more translucent at the base, because when applying them with this process, you can't do this method with nails that are fully painted. Like if this were an all black nail, then there's no way that the UV light can penetrate through the full nail tip. So when you do this method, you just want to make sure that the base of it is translucent and that the UV light can penetrate through it, because if they're like, you know, black, then it can actually damage your nails. So yeah, another hack is I do multiple nails at one time, and that just helps eliminate the time that your hand is in and out of that UV lamp. But after I apply the nails and remove the excess nail tip glue, I just kind of push the nail upwards just a tad bit. You don't want it to be right at the cuticle, because we're going to be blending it, and you'll see how later in this video. But I just kind of, when I cure them on, they're not right at my cuticles. So as you can see here, here's a close-up of what I mean. So I'm going to go ahead and cure, and I always do my thumb separately. Alright, so here's where we get blending. I'm going to go in with a nail file and so now I'm just dusting off all of the remaining powder, and here's where the blend comes in. So I'm going in with a neutral color. This is a rubber base coat, or a builder base polish would also work.